First thing you want to do is get you a pound of hamburger and get it nice and brown. After you've got your hamburger browned, go ahead and drain it. You'll want to separate it for later. Next, you're going to want to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Slowly add a 1/4 cup of flour and produce a nice brown roux. Now you want to add in your bouillon, 1 cup, 2½ cups of milk, your 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Stir that up real nice. Throw your hamburger back in. Add some salt and pepper. Bring to a simmer. Here we go. Military style SOS. Oh, gonna be so good. Military style SOS over toast. Yo, so good.